Dear students, we usually have problem in managing time while doing IELTS reading academic. But if we can know some secrets, some tips and some strategies, then we can easily complete reading passage 1 within 15 minutes. For example, I am going to solve this passage within a certain period of time. Let's begin. At first, we will underline some highlighting words like 80 meters. See, 80 meters cannot be paraphrased. Soil can be said mud, roots can be said something else, but 80 meters cannot be paraphrased. So in this passage, we will search 80 meters. See, we have found 80 meters. So we will read the question again. Its root can extend as far as 80 meters in the soil. So here, they stretch down 50 to 80 meters. They both mean same. Now, let's come to this question number 1. Can access dash deep below the surface? So, what can they access below the surface? As well as sucking up the water. See, sucking up the water means accessing. So what should we write here? Can access deep below the surface, can access water. Similarly, let's read question number 2. Was a crucial part of local inhabitants dash a long time ago. Local inhabitants means local people. Let's go to the passage. See students, usually the fill in the blank comes in sequentially. It is not like that. Question number 1's answer will be here and question number 2's answer will be here. It is not like that. It is usually in sequel and usually accumulated in certain part. For example, we can find the answer of fill in the blank in these two passages, in these two passages. Now they bring it into higher subsoil, recreating water source for other plant life. No, water. Let's read again. Dr. David Braceforth Jones article. You see, ancient people, and what we have said in question, local inhabitants. Ancient people's diet. So answer will be diet. Now let's come to question number 3. Help people to survive periods of what? What? Let's search in question. Because it could reach deep water sources, it allowed local people to withstand. So withstand means survive. Years of drought. So we have to write survive years of but. See, it is said only one word. So we have to cross this. So right answer is drought. Let's see. Prevents dash of the soil. As I have said earlier, the answers are accumulated to a certain point. So it is not like that answer. First answer will be found here and second answer will be found here. Let's continue. When their other crop failed, but over the centuries, hurango trees were gradually replaced with crops. Cutting down native lead to erosion. See, erosion. This might be a right answer. As there is nothing to keep the soil in place. So when the hurango goes, the land turns into desert. So erosion and desert. Let's see. Prevent dash of the soil. Prevent desert of the soil. That doesn't make sense grammatically. So it will be erosion. Prevent land from becoming what? See, we have already found desert. So answer will be prevent land from becoming a desert. Similarly, student, this type of fill in the blank is even easier. We can even guess the answer. Let's see. Traditional use of hurango tree. Part of a tree. What are the parts of tree? Seeds, roots, branches, flowers, etc. So it can be like that. Flowers can be used for fuel. Roots can be used for medicines. But remember students, it will not be mentioned directly fuel. It will be said something like energy, or medicine remedies or construction buildings. The question will be always paraphrased. So, as I have said before, the questions are in sequential order. Let's begin. For centuries, the hurango tree was vital to the people of the neighborhood Middle Ica Valley too. They grew vegetables, let's see, vegetables, under it and add product made from its seed pods. Its leaves and barks were used for herbal remedies. See, as I have said before, herbal remedies, medicines. So what two things were? Leaves and branches. Now let's continue again. While its branches were used, leaves and bark. So its branches were used for charcoal. And what does the charcoal do? Charcoal is used for energy. Let's see, for cooking and heating. If we are using something for cooking and heating, that means we are using it as a source of energy, or we are using it as a fuel. So branches. Similarly, what part of plant is used for construction? And its trunk was used to build houses. Easy. Trunk was used for it. So trunk. So students, we have completed fill in the blank and sentence completion within a period of less than 7 minutes. That's all. If you have proper guidance, proper training, and you know proper strategies, tips, then reading can be finished within 15 minutes. So students, do not panic. If you want to join classes, join our institute called Joinus Education Consultancy, which is located at Sorakute Chowk. Please see the detail for more information.